In July 2025, NASA's telescope spotted something massive entering our solar system, not from the Kuiper belt, not from the Oort cloud, but from another star system. They named it 3I Atlas, the third interstellar object ever entered after Oumuamua and Borisov. At first, it looked like a normal comet, but what scientists later found shocked them. Its structure, its gases, its speed, everything breaks the rules. When the 3I Atlas was first discovered on July 1, 2025, by the Atlas survey in Hawaii, astronomers realized it wasn't orbiting the Sun, it was passing through. 3I Atlas is flying on a hyperbolic path, meaning once it leaves, it will never come back forever. Within weeks, every major telescope pointed towards it. Hubble, James Webb, Keck, Gemini, and even small observatories worldwide joined in. Unlike normal comet filled with water ice, but this one almost no water. Instead, it's full of carbon dioxide and strange metal gases, especially nickel. Something we don't normally see like this. JWST detected powerful CO2 emission while the Keck Observatory found clouds of atomic nickel and cyanide gases near its core. And that combination doesn't match any normal comet we have ever seen, not even Oumuamua or Borisov. Some scientists think it found in the solar system very different from ours, maybe near another star's frozen belt. Others even speculated that nickel emission could mean manufactured metals, but NASA quickly clarified there is no proof it's artificial, just very unusual. As it gets closer to the Sun, 3I Atlas is transforming fast. Hubble images show it developing a glowing coma, a cloud of gas around the nucleus, and the tail pointing away from the Sun. In new photos, it even forms a strange rainbow-like halo because its dust reflects sunlight in different wavelengths. NASA says it's now about the size of a Manhattan, releasing gas and dust as it heats up. JWST infrared images show bright jets blasting out almost like a mini volcanoes in space. But the part that excites astronomers the most, it's completely unpredictable because it's interstellar. We don't know how it will behave when it hits peak temperature near the Sun. Now here is what matters to us. Can we see it? Sadly, it's not bright enough for the naked eye, but powerful telescope can capture it. Until late September 2025, it was visible from the Earth in the night sky before it moved behind the Sun. Right now in October, it's hidden behind the Sun, making it unobservable. October 29, 2025, it reaches perihelion, its closest approach to the Sun. After that, by early December, it will reappear on the other side of the Sun, and telescope will again start to capture new images. And that's when scientists expect the most actions. It could brighten dramatically and become visible in small telescopes. Why are NASA and astronomers so obsessed with this? Because 3I Atlas is a messenger from another star system. Its chemistry can tell us how other solar systems form, evolve, and maybe even how life's ingredients spread across space. When Oumuamua passed us in 2017, it raised hundreds of questions. Was it a rock, a light sail, an alien probe? But this time, with JWST and Hubble both watching, scientists are determined to get answers. They are tracking its spin, its gas emission, its spectrum, everything that could reveal its origin. Now, is there anything scary about it? Not in a doomsday way. It's not coming near Earth, so no need to worry. But what's scary is how unknown it is. It's moving at almost 60 kilometers per second, and its chemistry doesn't even fit any known comet model. If more objects like this keep arriving, it means the galaxy might be full of these wandering space travelers. Some possibly carrying materials we have never even seen before. That's both exciting and a bit terrifying. NASA and observatories worldwide are preparing for October 29, 2025, the day it reaches the Sun's closest point. Some scientists predict it could flare up, shedding layers and creating a massive outburst. Others think it might even break apart like comet ISON did years ago in 2013. After that, This December 2025, you will get a final look as it moves back into the dark, fading forever into the deep infinite space. Once it's gone, that's it. We will never see it again. NASA and its James Webb Space Telescope are watching closely. If it fragments, that will release fresh material from another solar system, a chance to analyze things we have never touched before. 3i Atlas is a once in a lifetime cosmic visitor, mysterious, unpredictable, and possibly the strangest object to ever enter our solar system. Whether it reveals secret of aliens worldwide or just another weird piece of space dust, it's rewriting what we know about the cosmos. And who knows, maybe the next visitor won't be just a rock. Now let's jump ahead to December 2025, the final act for 3i Atlas visit through our solar system. On early December 2025, it becomes more clearly observable again, both by large professional telescopes and for the first time possibly by small aperture scopes under dark skies. One news source says it will be visible with small telescopes now and will be most visible in December. It is the key date estimate shows 3i Atlas will be its closest approach to Earth on this date, about 1.8 astronomical units away. After December, it will begin moving further away from the Sun and Earth. Its brightness will fade and viewing will become more difficult. To make the most of this rare visitor, astronomers and space agencies have put their plan together. The Hubble Space Telescope is scheduled for ultraviolet spectroscopy in November and December to study the gas emissions as 3i Atlas moves away. NASA and other space agencies are using existing spacecraft like Mars Orbiter, solar monitors to catch a glimpse when Earth-based visibility is blocked. New images show the comet has showing unexpected behavior, dramatic brightening near the Sun, unusual blue-green hue changes, and an unusual metal-rich component. A US Congress member has called on NASA to release unreleased imagery relating the comet's passage from Mars orbiter, etc. Now, here is when you might be able to see it, with a telescope or a good binoculars. And how to plan. Start watching on early December 2025 after the sun's glare fades and the comet clears its conjunction. Around December 19, 2025, when it is at its closest distance to Earth. It won't be naked eye bright. Use a dark sky location, a telescope or a camera with a long exposure. Look towards the eastern morning sky just before sunrise. And then, after December, 3i Atlas will slip away. It came from another star, traveled billions of years, passed close to our sun and revealed the secret of alien chemistry, speed and composition. But its story doesn't end with our observing. It will carry onward, out into the dark, beyond our solar system. What it leaves behind are questions. Where did it from? What kind of star system threw it out? What material and secret does it carry? As we say it's alien, it's not necessary that aliens should always look like this. Maybe it can also mean small living organism from another star that still live on 3i Atlas, which are habitable to survive space condition and temperature. When you are pointing your telescope in early December to witness 3i Atlas, remember, you are not just watching a comet, you are watching an interstellar message from another world. And once it fades, our glimpse ends because this visitor will never return. While researching on this video, I came across a thought. Imagine if we place a telescope or a time capsule with all our Earth information and proofs. With that capsule, which can resist high temperature, pressure and all, placed it on an interstellar object so that we no need to worry about fuel consumption, speed and other stuffs like the Voyager, and can only focus to improve its communication all time to track them, or just leave an information to the space that carries our existence even after we disappear. And maybe like same the aliens did, placing their time capsule on 3i Atlas so that their presence of existence can reach other world in high speed.